Quench your skin's thirst with a refreshing drink of H2O Beauty Oasis Quench the Day Hydrating Mist. This tall drink of water for your face is the perfect beauty product to keep close. A deliciously hydrating blend of thermal water, aloe vera, seagrass, and water lily extracts delivers the perfect refreshment from a cute little bottle. Soothe your dry skin or just freshen up after a long day with this H2O face mist. Throw it in your overnight bag to hydrate skin that's dry and irritated from traveling. A spritz of this mist adds a little luxury to your day. Luxurious blend of thermal water, aloe vera, seagrass, and water lily extracts H2O Oasis Mist deeply hydrates, soothes, and freshens dry and dull skin, formulated without parabens, phthalates, or mineral oils. Dermatologist tested. How to apply: use on dry skin as a makeup primer or while traveling for a luxurious pick-me-up. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.